everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Creating a Google account lets you have access to many Google products. With a Google account, you can easily do things like send and receive emails using Gmail, find your new favorite videos on YouTube, download apps from Google Play, and much more. In order to make a new account, first open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in www.google.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the main homepage of Google, which looks like this. First, click on the sign in link at the top right hand corner and get to the Google account's sign in page. Once you see this interface where it asks you to sign in to use your Google account, simply click on the create account link at the bottom. You'll get three options in the pop-up. You can create a new account for yourself, for your child, or to manage your business. Select any one choice according to your preference. In my case, I'm gonna open up a personal account. So let me click on for myself. On the next page, you'll need to type in your first name and your other information. Enter your first name in the first text box and head over to the next field and type in your last name. Enter a username for yourself that you'd like to create. You can use letters, numbers, and periods in your username. While creating a username, remember to use a unique one. Since two people cannot have the same username, you can also select one of the available username from the bottom and create a new password on the next field. While creating a password, make sure to use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to make it strong. Head over to the next field and retype in the password that you just created to confirm. Finally, after you are done, click Next. On the next page, for your account security, go ahead and select your country from the drop-down and enter your phone number. Since it's an optional, you can also skip the phone number step. But if you want to add a security method, then you can continue entering your phone number or enter a recovery email address in the next field. Go ahead and type in any email address that you have access to, just in case your account needs to be recovered. And on the next field, select your birthday month, day, and year. Select your gender from the next drop-down and finally click Next. Go through the privacy and terms of Google and scroll all the way down and click on I agree. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that you have successfully created a new Google account. Now you can use all of the Google account's products, send and receive email, find your favorite videos on YouTube, and so much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.